was definitely a total L on that first mobile mechanic. So I got another guy that's coming. He seems a lot more knowledgeable, so hopefully he can get me going. And if not, I have a guy that's set up to give me a tow in the morning, so probably tow her to Kenworth or Cummins. So just have to play it by ear and go from there. But yeah, this definitely tops like the crappiest day of trucking. And yeah, definitely a lot of money wasted, but hey, oh well, it's life. What do? You move forward. All right, well, second mechanic today has showed up, or I should say tonight. See how we do. Well, at least this morning's been going a lot better. Mike and Greg, they came and scooped the trailer, so that was good. Now I'm just waiting on the mobile mechanic that came last night, and he's gonna change out the starter real quick, and hopefully she'll start right up, and then we can diagnose it with his laptop and figure out what the real problem is with like the fuel shutting off. Just have to wait and see. Huge shout out to those guys, to Mike and Greg, and I mean honestly Squid and everyone on the team, because yeah, they're all kick-ass dudes, and really been putting up a lot of bullshit because of me. And you know, it's unfortunate, but it happens, and yeah, you just gotta chug along and work as a team and make it happen. Well, at least I got a decent view to look at. It does suck though that I am right next to the highway and it is loud. Little update, it's been almost 3 hours now. The guy that came last night, apparently he's doing a different job, and his other mechanic is supposed to be coming, and he was doing a starter on a different truck, but then he ended up breaking a clamp or something, so then he had to run back to the parts store and whatnot. So apparently that's why it's taking so long, and it's really crappy because this is not good, because I could be at the stadium right now and helping the guys, but it's just, yeah, not good. I really hope they still give me a chance, but just see. Little update. Been here since 1 o'clock yesterday, and it is 12:30 right now in the afternoon. Oh, let's try this again. Come on, baby. Build that oil pressure. I can't believe there's no line at the Blue Beacon. Let's go. Things are starting to look up. Come on now. Well, Mike and I had a really good talk, and yeah, right now it's not looking good. He just needs to see that the truck is actually capable, and you know, there's not gallons of oil coming out of the truck. So I'm gonna head to their shop and then talk with Mike a little bit more, and then yeah, just go from there. So I'm gonna try to get my truck fixed before, but we'll just have to wait and see, because there's a pretty good storm coming in, so everyone's trying to get out and miss that. Man, does she look good. Sheesh, all cleaned up. Alright, well, most of the boys are heading out. They got other places to go. I'm going home. Hopefully get my truck fixed, but we'll see. A lot of bad rides. My buddy Logan, he moved to Phoenix, so he's meeting me right now, and we're gonna get a couple rolling shots, so it should be good. What's up, my guy?
What up?
Give me some love.
What's going on, bro?
Dude, not much. What are we doing today? Get some
videos.
Let's go.
Shots, the mountains.
Let's go. Yeah. Couldn't ask for a better day. Logan doing his thing.
Take me, leaving while you leaving. Leave me lonely when I need you. Left so cold, you left me bleeding. Why you gamble with my feelings? I'm bleeding. Say you wanna. Show me I love you like a drug. You're like a drug, baby. You got me so faded.
Right now, it's not too bad. So hopefully, we're gonna make it. Backed up. Gonna be here for a couple hours. Alright, well, spent about 2 hours wiping her down. It's looking good now. Let's go.